Hello and welcome to the Members Only SEO Dashboard, brought to you by Timberwolf Advertising. My name is Justin Kunst, the CEO and lead digital strategist of this advertising agency. In this video, I'm going to take you through the key stats that are displayed in this dashboard to help you understand how your website is performing on Google. If this is your first time using the dashboard, you'll want to follow the instructions for setting it up under this link, how to set up this dashboard. Although it is completely free to use, there is a small amount of technical setup. If you need help with that, we are happy to assist. Let's get started. The first thing that you'll see in the upper right hand corner is the date range for the stats on this dashboard. By default, it's set to the last 30 days, though you can change this to any date range that you want within the last 18 months. Below that, you're going to see some of the most vital stats for your website, your URL clicks, and your impressions. URL clicks is the number of times people clicked on your website from Google, and impressions is the number of times that your website showed or displayed on search results. You can narrow that down through these drop downs here. Query is the specific keyword term, and landing page is the specific page on your website. As an example, if we wanted to narrow this down from all keywords and just select this top keyword, we can mouse over, select only, and it's going to adjust the URL clicks and impressions to display just the stats for that one keyword. Under clicks and impressions, you'll also see a comparison showing the percentage growth or decrease between the last 30 days and the previous period. Under clicks and impressions, you'll see a line graph showing the accumulated stats for that period. As we can see, this blue line representing the last 30 days had a significant improvement in their trend versus the previous 30 days. To the right of that, you'll see this video, which you're watching right now. And below that, you're going to see some very helpful resources for helping you to improve your SEO, including links to our local maps SEO, our website worldwide SEO, and our SEO tutorials and tips. Let's continue scrolling down to keyword position. Here you'll see all the keywords which your website is showing for, sorted by the number of clicks that each of those keywords received. We can see here their top keyword, Google Cloud Certification Merchandise, received 63 clicks in the last 30 days and 274 impressions. The average position, which you'll see in this first column, for this keyword is 1.01. So that means that out of 274 times that the website showed for this keyword, it displayed number one almost every single time. So using these graphs and charts, you're able to see how many clicks you received from search, the number of times that your website showed in search results, as well as the specific keywords which are driving traffic to your website. Now let's go to our second tab on the left side, our month-over-month SEO trend. And you'll see, similar to our first tab, a drop down to change your date range, as well as to narrow in to the specific query or keyword that you want to see stats for. Below that, you'll see month-over-month trends for clicks and impressions. And we're able to see here in this chart exactly how many clicks the website received, and we're also able to see impressions. Looking at our sample data, you can see from this chart that there was a significant drop-off in impressions that happened right after March. So if you see something like that on your chart, you're going to want to contact us to say, hey, why did this happen to our website and what can be done about it? Let's continue to scroll down where we'll see our average position and again, the performance of each keyword, the number of impressions, the number of clicks, and the average position. To recap, using this dashboard, you are able to see some of the most vital stats for your website and brand on Google, including URL clicks and impressions, and exactly what keywords is driving customers to your website. If you need any additional help with setup or improving your SEO, you'll find all those resources very handy for you right here under your SEO resource section. Again, my name is Justin Kunst, CEO and lead digital strategist here at Timberwolf Advertising. We look forward to helping you improve your business. Thank you very much.